Una good afternoon o. Today we don come again for chemistry and we wan look at topic wey dem dey call writing chemical formula. So today we go learn how to write chemical formula or chemical equation. So make you follow me. We get rules or steps wey we dey use write dis chemical formula, and the steps be dis: or radical. Later I go tell you wetin radical be, okay? Then say number two, write the write the oxidation number of the atom or radical. Then number three, interchange their oxidation number. Then number four, omit the sign. You don see the rule, abi? So with these rules, we go e go be easy for us make we use write dis chemical formula. Make we try example number one and two. Then other examples, we go first look at radical before we go to other examples. So make we try one or two examples. So examples, they say make we write the chemical formula of sodium chloride. If you see this kind of question, make you no fear. Just this rule wey we see here, or dis text wey we see here, make you just cram am for your head or make you memorize am for your head. Once you know dis rule, you go fit write am. E dey very simple. Number one, they say make you write the symbol of the atom or radical. Now, if we look at the name wey dey give us here, sodium chloride, you go know say sodium na wetin? Sodium na element, chloride na element, radical no dey here. No fear, I go tell you wetin radical be later. Radical no dey here. So you go ask yourself, wetin be the symbol of sodium? I know by now you don know symbols na, you don know symbols, you suppose don know symbols. You go know say symbol of sodium na wetin? Na. Solution. Symbol of sodium na wetin? Na. Wetin be symbol of, here they say chloride. Chloride na chlorine. Just that when chloride join with other elements, they call am, when chlorine join with other elements, they call am chloride. But chloride na chlorine. So you come write Cl, chlorine Cl. You don see am. You don fulfill the rule of number one. Then we come for number two. They say make we write the oxidation number of the atom and radical. You know say we don learn how to write oxidation number. If you never learn am, go watch my other video, my videos for or the oxidation number, and my video for oxidation number. You go see am. We don learn am before. Even videos for balancing of chemical equation, you go see I talk about oxidation number there. So oxidation number of sodium na wetin? Na plus one. Oxidation number of chlorine na wetin? Na minus one. Okay, make I just run am sharparly. If you wan get oxidation number of sodium, you go ask yourself, wetin be the atomic number of sodium? Atomic number of sodium na wetin? 11 abi? So you go write am, you go put am for shell. So 1, 2. You know say first shell go take how many? First shell go take only 2. Then 2 minus 11, you go dey get wetin? You go dey get 9. So the second shell go take how many? 8. So you go put am like this. Remainder wetin? Remainder 1. So that one wey dey here, you go put am here. As you don put am, wetin be the oxidation number? Here na 1. So oxidation number na plus 1. Because you see 1 na plus 1. Then sharparly, make we go for chlorine. Chlorine na wetin? Atomic number of chlorine na wetin? Atomic number of chlorine na 17. So make we run am sharparly. First shell dey take 2. Then second shell dey take 8. You don't put 2, put 8. Remaining how many? Remaining 7. You don't put 7. Remainder 1. So if you remain 1, that means oxidation number na wetin? Na minus 1 because you remain 1 to complete wetin? You remain 1 to complete 8. So oxidation number na minus 1. So if you remain 1 to complete 8 na minus 1. If you remain 2 to complete 8 na minus 2. If you remain 3 to complete 8 na minus 3. That is to say, if we see just 7 electrons at the outermost shell, the oxidation number na minus 1. If you see 6 electrons at the outermost shell, the oxidation number na minus 3. If you see 5 electrons at the outermost shell, the oxidation number na wetin? Na minus 3. Na so e dey here. If you see 1 valence electron, oxidation number na plus 1. If you see 2 valence electrons, oxidation number na plus 2. If you see 3 valence electrons, oxidation number na what? Na plus 3. So we don see how we take get plus 1 for sodium and minus 1 for chlorine. So we don fulfill the rule of number 2. So make we check number 3. Number 3 say make we interchange the sign. Make we carry this sign put here, carry this one put here. So now we go write sodium. So we go carry this chlorine minus 1 put here. We go put am at the bottom right corner. So we go fit write interchange the oxidation number. Write it at the bottom right. So write it at the bottom right. So chlorine now, you will carry this plus 1 put for chlorine. See, we don interchange am. Then they say make we do wetin? Make we omit the sign for number 4. That this we go clean the sign. You go clean the sign. So you go write sodium. You no go write the sign again. You go write 1. You write chlorine. You no go write the sign. This sign na plus and minus. You write 1. You no dey write 1 for chemical equation. So you go clean the 1. So sodium chlorine. So this na the final answer. You see how we take get am. Sodium chloride. So this na the chemical formula for sodium chloride. E simple abi e no simple? Make we go example number 2. Make we So number 2 you say write the chemical form. You write the chemical formula for aluminium oxide. E dey very simple, no fear. In fact, okay, just watch am, no use do am. Solution. Write the symbol of the atom and radical. Yeah, this one na element, this one na element. Radical no dey there. So make we go. Wetin be the formula for aluminium? Al. You don see am. Wetin be the formula for oxide? Oxide na wetin? Oxide na oxygen. Make you no dey confused say they call am oxide. Oxide na just oxygen. When oxygen combine with another element, we go dey answer oxide. Okay? Alright, so oxygen. O. Number 2, write the oxidation number of the atom. Oxidation number of aluminium na wetin? Oya, you fit guess? Okay, make we do am, make we see. You go ask yourself, wetin be atomic number of aluminium? Atomic number of aluminium na 13. So we go do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many valence electrons dey the outermost shell? 1, 2, 3. 3 electrons dey the outermost shell. We dey call am valence electron. And since we get 3 valence electrons, automatically the oxidation number na wetin? Na plus 3. Plus 3. So wetin be the oxidation number of oxygen? Wetin be your guess? Minus 2. You get am correct because we don do am for our first example now. We don do am for our first example. So na minus 2. Alright. So you say make you interchange the sign. Write them at the bottom right. Okay. So aluminium, you go carry minus 2 put here. Oxygen, you go carry plus 3. You don't see. Number 4 say omit the sign. Now you say you clean the sign. So Al2O. We don't finish yet. This is aluminium oxide. Make we run one more example. Make we run one more example. Make we run one more example. See am, aluminum oxide. Write the chemical formula of magnesium oxide. E dey simple now. Make we try am again. Solution. Magnesium na wetin? Mg. Oxide na wetin? Oxygen. Wetin be the symbol? O. Wetin be formula for magnesium? Wetin be oxidation number for magnesium? Oxidation number for magnesium na wetin? +2. If you do that one, you go get +2. So oxygen na wetin? -2. Okay, we don write am. Number 3 say interchange the sign. So we carry -2 take carry +2. So magnesium -2. Oxygen +2. You don see am ko? Now they say make we omit the sign, but before we omit the sign, you go see say this one na -2, this one na +2. So -2, since the oxidation number na the same thing, 2. This one na minus, this one na plus. 2 minus 2 no be 0. Na 0, they don cancel themselves. So they don cancel themselves. So you get MgO. You don see say they don cancel themselves. So you find out MgO. It's simple, abi you know see? It's simple. Alright. For example number 4, I no go solve am yet. I go first teach you wetin dey call radical, because na that radical go lead us to example number 4. So wetin be radicals? Radicals na just group of atom that possess charge and they act as one unit. So they act like say they be one. You no fit separate them. Sorry, you no fit separate them. They act like say them be one. Okay. So make we see radicals. Make we see the examples of these radicals. And you get one radical wey they call OH. The name of this radical they call am hydroxide. They call am hydroxide. The oxidation number of this radical now -1. Get one wey they call SO4. The oxidation number now -2. Okay. And also that's they call am 2 minus SO4 2 minus. Okay. So now tetraoxo sulfate. Tetraoxo sulfate. Sulfate 6 anyway. Tetraoxo sulfate 6. You get one again, what do they call ammonium? You also know we get CO3 2 minus. CO3 2 minus. They call them trioxocarbonate. Trioxocarbonate. The oxidation number na -2. Then we get one. We get one what they call NH4. Na ammonium. They call am ammonium or be ammonium ion. I know what we want call am. Na +1. That's one oxidation number. This na popular radicals. We get more. but na popular radical so you go dey catapult it. So Akeem, you get the one we dey call NO NO3 NO3 NO3. Okay. So I also nitrate. Now oxidation number na -1. Resin nitrate 5. Resin nitrate 5. So oxidation number now -1. Okay, so this na the popular radical so you get. Other radicals dey, but if you know these ones, you don sabi most of the radicals and important one and popular ones so you go dey come across on a daily basis. So as you don know this one, as you don know this one, say you don write am down. Oya na, make we solve. Make we solve. I wan clean am. Say you don write am down. Oya na, make we solve. So you wan solve example number 4. Write the chemical formula of sodium tetraoxosulfate. Write the chemical formula of sodium tetraoxosulfate 6. As you don finish question, no panic at all. No panic at all. You go say, wetin be the formula for sodium? Na abi. Wetin be the formula for tetraoxosulfate 6? You know say tetraoxosulfate 6 na radical and we don write am there. So tetraoxosulfate 6 na SO4. SO4. We don write am. Then we go come ask ourselves wetin be their oxidation number. Oxidation number of sodium na wetin? Na +1. Oxidation number of SO4 na radical. Remember -2. We write am there that time. So -2. You go come do wetin? You go come interchange the sign for rule number 3. Interchange the sign. So we go say Na carry -2 put here. SO4 carry +1 put here. Okay. So you don interchange the sign. Then the last one say omit the sign. So we go omit the sign. That means we go clean all the sign. So Na to SO4 1. You know the right one for chemical equation now, or even chemical formula. You know the right one. So you will comot 1. And as you dey comot this one, you comot this bracket. Because this bracket no dey important again, because this one dey comot. So Na to SO4. This is na wetin? Sodium tetraoxosulfate 6. You don see am abi? Oya now, make we write another example. Aluminum triazole nitrate 5. Okay. You say make we write the chemical formula. Very simple. Formula for aluminum na wetin? Make we write solution first. Formula for aluminum na wetin? Formula for aluminum na Al. That symbol of aluminum na Al. Then triazole nitrate. Triazole nitrate na radical. I remember wetin we talk for triazole nitrate. Say na NO3. Abi? Na so e be. So wetin be the oxidation number for aluminum? You must study. Triazole nitrate na wetin? -1. Okay, make we interchange the sign. So as you dey interchange the sign, you go see something like and this one will come here. Okay, so omit the sign. You know the right one, so you comot one. So you comot the one. So al and you don finish.